Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Naturally Tenacious. Today I'm coming to you guys with something new. Not a natural hair video today, but actually a protective style. I am currently doing passion twist in my hair. I am almost done. The struggle was definitely real with parting, trying to part your hair, and you can't see the back of your head. But anyway, so I'm going to tell you guys about the hair that I purchased. So pretty much, I was looking on YouTube at some videos. I don't remember the name of the girl whose video I initially saw, but when I do find it, I'm going to link it in the description box so you guys can check out how she did those. And she also references some other YouTubers who installed the passion twist. So basically, I'm going to be doing the crochet method to install my passion twist. I know some people like braid it in, or twist it in, I should say. They start off as a braid and then they eventually twist it down. Some people use the rubber band method, but based on listening to this other lady's YouTube video, she said that in her experience crocheting, it really worked. You know, it made it more secure. So anyway, I am using Dorsani passion twist hair, and this is in the color 1B, and I did the 14-inch, and they give you a pack of 7. So it's been, I was concerned, oh, you know what, there's not enough hair, but it's definitely been enough hair. So this is how the individual packets come, and as I said, it comes in a package of 7 in the 14-inch 1B. And they have other colors and of course lengths that you can choose from. They also included a little pamphlet in here, just where they basically talk about some different types of hair they have, such as the bomb twist hair, spring twist hair, and stuff like that. And then it also comes with some tips on how to make the passion twist last. But some people say, you know, they don't really like doing passion twist because it doesn't last long. But I think the style is really cute and it's fairly easy, so I just wanted to try it. And then the pamphlet also shows you steps on how to do it as well, so that's really good. In addition to the packs of 7 that you get, so you don't have to worry about paying individual for each one, it also comes with these little hair jewel clamps if you want to use those, and then they also give you a crochet hook as well. Okay guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, most of my hair is done. It was a struggle, as I said. Let me tell you about some of the products that I'm using and materials. So I got, I guess this is called a rat tail comb, used for parting, you know, to be precise. Then I went to my local beauty supply store. This rat tail comb is also from there too, but you can get those anywhere. I got this little edge brush, and this part you can, you know, tease out your baby hairs. I'm not really gonna make a big deal about doing that because I don't want to be obligated to be laying baby hairs every day. So I have my bigger comb just to, you know, part larger sections and comb it out. And then you definitely are going to need you some type of smoothing gel. I don't know what you call it, gel, edge control or something. I use the Olive Miracle Super Hold and Smooth Edges product. The other girl whose video I watched, she also used some type of jam to use, like as she twisted the hair down, but I'm using this same product too as I twist my hair down. Okay, so anyway, those are the products I'll be using. As you can see, I've worked on parting my hair already, and I got the rest of the hair out the way. So I'm just going to take the product and I'm just going to smooth it in the roots. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and braid down about 1/2 inch. This will also be easier if you blow dry your hair. My hair is not blow dry, as you can see, but the other YouTuber I watched, she had her hair blow dry, which makes parting and braiding your own hair down easier. It'll make a neater style, but I didn't do that because I don't even own a blow dryer, honestly. So, okay, I'm just gonna tighten this section a little more so it's not interfering. Okay. So what you're gonna do is, here's the crochet hook. As you can see, there's a little hook there, and here's the latch that you move up and close. Okay, so you're going to take your crochet hook, you're going to pass it underneath your braid. Make sure it don't get attached to any other hair. Kind of moving that out the way. Okay, open your hook up. This is the hair here. So it's already kind of come pre-looped, I guess you would say. So it's easy to separate. You can see that little loop at the top there. So if you want your twist fluffy, you can do 2 strands like I'm using, or you can do 3. If you want them to be a little thinner, you can use 1. It just depends on what you want. But either way, you should have enough hair to do your whole head because they give you more than enough pack. So, okay, so I'm just going to take it and wrap it around my index finger, making sure the hair is equal. It doesn't have to be exactly the same length when you're holding it like this. You can make it a little bit different as far as the length. So just securing it around my index finger. I'm taking it, putting it, let me put your finger there to keep that little hook out the way. Then close down the latch, slide it through. Make sure your finger is in the middle of that loop. Open the latch, remove the hook. Then you're going to take the hair and your own hair, and you're going to pull it through, pull everything through that loop. Now you're going to take the hair again in your braid, and you're going to pull the hair to secure it. Okay, so rebraiding this here. Okay, so let's try this again. Keep that latch out the way, close it, pull it through. Keep your circle open or your loop, pull the hair through, separate and pull. Secure it by pulling each individual strand to tighten it. Okay, I'm gonna get some of my edge control. Oops. start twisting. So as you're twisting it, you just want to be smoothing down the hair as you go down. So you just keep smoothing down the hair and adding your edge control so you can tuck away any flyaways you have. Those are just some plaits in the back that I have to also apply the crochet hair to. I just wanted to show you guys a section closer to the top of my hair so you can see it better. Top of my head so you can see it better. So, I'm sorry, I'm just smoothing it down and twisting.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra.